Hello guys, welcome back to Georgina's kitchen. Welcome. And yeah, I know it has really been a while, since I posted, and because it has really been a very stressful and busy month. Like, I've been so busy. I changed my job, so I'm kind of like, I was just trying to like reorganize everything, just organize myself first before, I continue with what I was doing and everything. So anyway, here I am today for you guys, and let's kind of prepare a very delicious and quick Nigeria egusi soup. And I will be showing you the ingredients that I will be using. Let's see the ingredients that I will be using for this special, egusi. So I have my red palm oil, then crayfish, grounded crayfish. Then I have my oregano, maggi, salt, and grounded pepper. Then I have my boga fish, and today I will be using spinach. So then I did my fish in the oven, and obviously my stock meat that I prepared earlier, and the stock meat water. Like, I just use fish, I don't use stock meat, but today I will be using the fish water instead. So these are the ingredients we'll be using and everything. So guys, let's get started. The egusi we are going to make today is fried egusi. Like, we have different ways of making egusi, and my favorite is fried egusi. Like, you just fry it, so that, it should be so dried and you don't have runny stomach, those kind of thing. Depends on how you react normally to it, you understand, no? So today I'll be showing you how to make fried egusi. So let's get started. So guys, what I do to the egusi is just add some water inside. Like, just add little water, so you see how the consistency is. So this is how I fry it. So just add water, then turn it around, and so just put some oil in the pot, then add your egusi like this. Then guys, after that you have to continue turning, if not it will burn. So you have to do it with a spoon on the pot, and you don't want it to burn. So this is how you are going to continue frying. At this point, you can see under my pot it's not burnt, like, because you have to continue turning it, just like stir, just like remove it from the ground, and little by little you can be adding your stock water. Just add a little bit of it, just little, like, because you want it to continue frying. Okay, then at this point I will change my spoon. Then stay. Okay, then leave it to fry, you know, always checking it out and everything. So guys, at this point, just add a little bit of your water again. So as you can see that it's still frying. So you know, then start adding all your spices. So reduce the fire, you know, so that before you come back it doesn't get burnt. Then just continue adding a little bit of your water, just little by little. You don't have to pour all at once. Then add your stock. Then guys, so at this point you can see it's still frying, so just add your meat, you know, like wow. So guys, you can actually use this method to make your dried egusi. Like if you want your egusi to be a little bit thick, you know, you can use this method, or you can just add a little bit of water, you know, if you want it more like, it depends on how you like it. But if you want to try the other method of, you know, dried egusi, like make it a little bit thicker, so you can all try, I mean, you can use this method. So I'm adding all, then the fish too. So guys, so this is the consistency that I want. So you can still try it out. If the salt, maggi, if the spices are okay for you to your taste, then just leave it to cook for, like, let me say 10 minutes or 20, because you have already taken your time to fry all the egusi, so it's already been cooked. And you know, so just give it 10 minutes, 15 minutes for all the meat, the ingredient, the fish, everything to, like, you know, comes together. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that like button, you know, and share on your social media, share with your friends, with your family, with everyone that you know, so like that Georgina's Kitchen is on, and I'm here to give you guys real good Nigerian food, and I will be making other content, so I just really pray to have time for that. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Love you all.